Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am working on my cookbook recipe journal again. Here's the cover so far. And what I've been working on today and yesterday are putting in some pockets, and I'm going to kind of show you some of them so far. I like to sew some of the pockets in, so you can see the stitching there. And then this one here. I think it's just fun to have a few of the pockets be stitched. It's just fun. Here's another one here, like the herbs. And I haven't decided on the solid ones yet. That's why those aren't sewn in yet. And then here's the paper bag where I've made it into a pocket. And then I took this vintage page out of a magazine, and I just love the vintage. Can y'all see that? That kitchen. And then here it is on this side. Look at those colors. Isn't that awesome? And I didn't want to hide any of this front and back cover of this page. So what I did was I just attached it right on the edge there. And then I folded the page. That way you can flip out and admire it. And I have some Christmas recipe cards. I thought I might include a couple in there. So that's just the sewing of my different pages. And then I did the same over in this one as well. Sewing that along. And then there's another one there. And if you want to see me sew, let me know. I can do a quick little video on that, how I set up my sewing machine and what settings I put it on. And then on this one, so this was another shortened page, because over on this side I wanted this whole baking time poem to show. So this side of it ended right here. So then I took this page and just glued it on right there. And then look at that kitchen. I just love these old kitchens here. And then here is the back side. And I love this. Find a place to eat in your kitchen and save extra steps. And then I don't think I'm going to cover up these cute little children. I think that's a nice little touch there. And then here's the back of the sewing on this pocket, like the yellow. So that's where I am thus far on the sewing. So I think I've done all the sewing of pockets I'm going to do. I'm going to add some more elements, tucks, pockets, things like that. And what I've been collecting are things that I'm going to put into the journal. So I have some of these old stamps, value stamps. Here's this old popcorn popper. It's seen better days, but I think that adds to the charm. So I don't know if I'll put what of all this stuff I'm going to put in yet. Here's an old happy hour bar guide. These graphics are awesome. So I'm thinking of taking some of these and maybe put them on tags. Here's another one. fine cocktails made easy. And then I have some old little recipe kind of stickers. Just a tiny little coin envelope. I have a couple mushroom cards, which I think would be fun to put in there. And this orange card. And then here's a tally card. And then some old index cards. Some bingo cards. I have a bunch of different colors. And here is a old postcard with a bottle of wine on it. And I just thought that was a sweet little postcard. Here's some really old vintage recipes that I've come across. There's another one. And then I have some other blank recipe cards that I'll probably add in there. This, I think I might scan this and try to do something with that. And then I like these old Coca-Cola. Oh, and here's a fun little old vintage label. And then this is an old Hershey's. So there's some fun little things in here from the Hershey's that I'll probably put something in there. I thought it would be really neat to cut this one out and put that on a tag or a journaling card. And then I think I'm going to decorate some of these up. And maybe put some collaging on these and leave some blank. And then I have some old cookbooks with different ads and stuff in them and recipes. And so I'm going to pull some of these out and add them, you know, decoration, and add them to collages and things like this. And then this is another old cookbook, and the ads in here are amazing. So I'm going to take some of these and add them in. You know, I'll either put them in pockets, you know, for future use, or put some on tags or journaling cards. But these are just amazing. I love it. And I love this. That's going on a tag right there. This Sissy Gregg. She was a chef at a newspaper, and they published recipes. But fun stuff. And then this is another one. The Active Woman's Cookbook. Cracking me up. But it has some really neat recipes and some images that'll be fun to add. So I'm collecting kind of my final pieces, and these are fun too. These are some vintage little pieces, Velveeta and Craft. So yeah, so now I just gotta pare this down, figure out what other little decorative pieces I want to put in here, and final tucks and storage spots and things like that. So it's getting pretty close, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. So I hope you all had a really fun weekend, and I will see you all on the next video. Please remember to hit that like button. I really would appreciate it. Y'all have a good night. Bye.